Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to synchronize your WooCommerce products with Airtable using the RWP sync for WooCommerce. So let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, then add new one, upload plugin, choose file, look for the file, install it, just wait for that, and then activate it. Now the plugin is installed, so let's go to the menu on the left and click on the plugin. Okay, so we are ready to set up the plugin. So click on set up your plugin. Here you have one option if you want to activate RWP sync. Just to remind you, RWP sync can help you to import pages or posts, users, taxonomies, and more. In this case, I'm not gonna activate it. Just gonna stay in WooCommerce. So let's click here. Now we're gonna paste the license key. So the license key you can find it on your WP Connect My account. You can find it here and then here. Copy. We're gonna come back to WordPress, paste it, and next. Then the access token. So for the access token, you can go to your Airtable, click on your icon, Builder Hub, then personal access token. I'm gonna create a new one. Test WooCommerce, and I'm gonna add the scoops. And now you're gonna add all the bases or the workspaces that you want to give the access. In this case, I have one workspace, it's called test, so I'm gonna use this one, and then create token. I'm gonna copy the token, and I come back to WordPress, just paste it, and next. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna connect the Airtable base. So in this step, you're gonna copy our Airtable template base. Remember that this plugin works only with our template, so it is important to copy our template if you didn't do it before. So let's copy it. Then you're gonna click on copy base, and then you're gonna select the workspace that you just added on your token, in this case test, and then add base. I'm not gonna do it because I already copied the base. So let's go back to WordPress, where as you can see they already recognize that my template is already copied in our workspace. And now we're ready to start creating the first Woo connection. So just click on create a new Woo connection. Now you're gonna give a name to your connection. I'm gonna call it simple products because I'm gonna import the simple products in this case. So next step, then the status, I'm gonna click on publish. Then the catalog visibility, I'm gonna leave just this one. And then you have a really powerful tool here. So the filters. So if you have many products on your Airtable and you don't wanna import them, all of them, so you can use the filters. These filters work as the same as in Airtable. So the same filters that you can add in Airtable, you can add it here. And finally, you have the inventory management. So if you wanna manage the stock and all the orders, then we're gonna click on next step. And it's important to say that in the first connection you can modify the mapping. So you're just gonna go down and verify the mapping. Next step. And finally, you're gonna decide how often you wanna synchronize your your products. So you can do it manually or recurring. In this case, I'm gonna use manually. But if not, you have many options. So every 15 days, once a week, once daily, twice daily, and more. In this case, I'm gonna use manual and I'm gonna save and sync. And as you can see, there's only 4 products because in my Airtable I only have 4 products, as you can see here. So if you want to see the products on your site, you just need to go to your home page, go to shop, and then you can see the products. As well, you can go to products and see the products here. So for example, now we can add one to the cart, and now we can make an order. And that's all, we have made our first order. So now if you want to add more custom fields to your mapping, you just need to go back to your WordPress dashboard, go to the plugin, click on the connection, edit, and go back to the mapping. Oh, sorry, what's the next one? And here you can add all the fields that you like. So for example, we have compatibility with ACF or Yoast. We have more compatibility with another plugins. You can check it out on our website, but I just have it here. So for example, if you want to add the SEO title, you just need to map it with one Airtable column. But I need to tell you that you need to create a new column. We don't have those columns on our template, so you just need to go to your Airtable. In the end, you can create a new one. For example, here, SEO title, and create it. And then you can map it here. I mean, you can see it here right now because you need to wait. You need to wait at least 10 minutes. That's the cache time. So I won't be able to show you here, but that's how it works. So in this case, I'm not gonna use it. That's gonna be for another video. But I hope you like it. I hope you like this tutorial. And if you have any questions about Airtable PCing for WooCommerce, you can just write it down and we're gonna come back to you. Thank you.